अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सूरह बकरा आयत नंबर 70 से शुरू करते हैं। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। क़ालू उदउ लना रब्बक युबय्यिन लना मा ही। क़ालू Qaf is the letter which is always heavy. There is mnemonic for the heavy letters which you can memorize. It's khussa ضغط قذ. Khussa ضغط قذ. I can write it for you. Khussa khussa ضغط ضغط قذ. These are the 7 letters which are always heavy. For making any letter heavy, you have to lift your tongue up. Lift tongue, back side of your tongue up. So, qa, qa, qa. So the alif along with it will always be heavy. Qalud. And there is the on lam. Circle your lips and join it with dal, and dal will have qalqala. Qalqala is bouncing the letter. Qalud. Squeeze your throat well to make ain sound. And for dhamma, you have to circle your lips. قالوا ادعوا la will be short. No, na to haraka. Lana. Why na is long? It alif is followed by fatha. Whenever alif is followed by fatha, it will be 2 haraka long. Lana rabbaka. Ra will be heavy. Whenever there is fatha on ra or dhamma on ra, that will be heavy. How you will make ra heavy when it's fatha? You will simply say raw material. The way you say raw material, raw, exactly say that letter, raw. Rabbaka yubayyin lana. Ya is a very soft letter, and with dhamma, circle your lips. You bay. Put a little number is the thing. The sound have to be little bit up on ya. You bay. And kasra make double e sound. Every kasra has double e sound in it. Whenever you will say any letter with kasra, you will say e. You bay yil, and attach with lam. You bay yil. La will be short. Na 2 haraka long. Why? Alif followed by fatha. Lana ma, the same way. Ma will be 2 haraka long. Why? Alif is followed by fatha. He, short. Ya, hiya. The way he is short, ya is short. The length should be equal. Hiya, in. Noon has gunna. Whenever noon and meme has tashdid at the top, you will give them gunna. What gunna is? You will hold the sound of the letter in your nose. In, and it will take little time. This is called gunna. In, and now noon is attached with lam. Nal, innal, ba, short and light. Qaf is always heavy because it is among these letters. Qussa dagtin qis. Look, qaf is here. So qaf will be heavy. Baqara, ra. The same sound, raw material. Whenever there is fatha on ra, you will say ra, ra. Baqara, ta, the short, sha, 2 haraka long. Ba, short, ha, short. تشابه. Squeeze your throat well to give ain sound. And short. Lay. This is 2 haraka long too. Na, 2 haraka long. Why? Fatha is followed by, alif is followed by fatha. Wa, short. In, yes, there is gunna. Why? Because noon has this tashteed at the top. Whenever you will find noon or letter meme with tashteed, you will put gunna. And what gunna is? Gunna is holding your sound in the nose. Wa in, and fatha is short. Fatha is 4 haraka long here because you can see this mud. Wa in, after holding in your nose, give 4 haraka stretch. Na, wa inna, in, you are hiding noon and not pronouncing it from your tongue. You are just holding sound in your nose. Insha, sha 4 haraka long. Allahu, hamza is short. It's very strong letter, and here Allah Subhanahu wa Taala's name is heavy. Why? Whenever you will find fatha before Allah Subhanahu wa Taala's name, that name will be heavy. Allah, Allah, who is short, la short, mu. Circle your lips for dhamma, mu. And ha will keep on, the sound will keep on going. Mu, ta short, dun, that will be 4 haraka long. Whenever you put, you are stopping on any letter, you will put sukoon at the end. Whenever you will find mud letter before the temporary sukoon, this is a temporary sukoon, it's not permanent. Whenever you are giving temporary sukoon for waqf, if you will find dhamma before harf mad before it, you will stretch it 4 haraka long. Lamuhtadun, qala, qaf is heavy, 2 haraka long. Why? Because alif is followed by fatha, so it will be 2 haraka long. And why the qaf is heavy? Because it's among these letters, so that will be heavy. Qala, la is short. Inna, hamza shadid, there will be gunna on noon. Why? Because whenever you will find letter meme or letter noon with tashdid, you will put gunna. What gunna is? Holding sound in your nose. In, this is gunna, and fatha is short. Na, who 2 haraka long. Ya, ya is soft and short. Qu, qaf is heavy, 2 haraka long. Lu, short. Yaqulu, in, you're holding sound again, it's gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose and you will give little time. In, and fatha is short. Na, inna, ha 2 haraka long. Ba is light and short. Qa is heavy and short. Ra is heavy and short. Ra, whenever you will find fatha, ra with fatha, you will simply say raw, R-A-W, raw material sound. Bas. That is it. So you don't have to put anything extra. Raw. Baqara, tulla. Circle your lips for dhamma. Whenever you will find any letter with dhamma, you have to circle very well. Circle your lips. And now attach this ta with lam, tul, and then la is 2 haraka long. Why? Alif is followed by fatha. Tulla, the short, lu 2 haraka long. The lu. You're holding this tanween sound. Dalul, two. Circle your lips for two. Thi, 2 haraka long. Urul, make raw heavy and attach it lam. Urul, ar. There will be tawassut on raw, medium flow of sound. This is medium flow of sound. Ar, do is short and heavy. wa short. La, 2 haraka long. Alif is followed by fatha. Tasqil, give little time on scene. Tas, it's a flow of sound. Tasqil, qaf will be heavy and it is attached with lam. Qil, how, give a medium flow of sound on ra. How, that is short. Mu, mim, dhamma, circle your lips well. Salla, musalla, ma, short. La, short. Ma, short. Tul, dhamma, circle your lips well and attach with lam. Tul, and la is 2 haraka long. Why? Alif is fatha. Alif is followed by fatha. She, short. Ya, short. Ta, short. Shiyata, fi, 2 haraka long. Ha, 2 haraka long. Alif followed by fatha. Alif followed by fatha. Qalul, qa is heavy. Lam is attached with lam. Lul, a 2 haraka long. Always 2 haraka long too. Yes. Thank you. Qalul ana, na is short. Jita, whenever any letter is attached with hamza, it has strong stop. It the sound is like choking or it's like hiccup. You say ji, ji, ta, ji, ta, bil. Whenever you find kasra, you say double E sound. Bil, haqqi. There is hums. What hums is? Flow of breath. Haqqi, فذبحوها. Fa short, the short, ba short. فذب, no long letter. فذب, and now hu is 2 haraka long. Hu, ha, ha, alif followed by fatha, long. فذبحوها, wa short. Ma, 2 haraka long. Alif is followed by fatha. Ka, alif is followed by fatha. Do, 2 haraka long, 2 haraka long. يفعلون. Fa is a flow of sound. Let it go. A, yaf'a. Squeeze your throat well to say ain. Yaf'alun. 4 haraka long. Whenever you are giving temporary sukoon on any letter to make work, you will stretch mud letter 4 times longer. Okay. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.